Higher section 12, question 1. Find the integral of dx over 3x plus 1 all to the power 1 half between the limits of 1 and 0. Well, I'm first of all going to prepare to integrate here. Now I can take the dx down the side and leave the 1 up there, and that will be the integral of 1 over 3x plus 1 all to the power 1 half. I'm going to continue to prepare to differentiate by bringing the bracket up. So using my rules of indices, 3x plus 1 all to the power 1 half, I can bring that up, and that will be 3x plus 1 to the power minus 1 half. Now for integrating a bracket, remember we add 1 onto a power, divide by our new power, multiplied by the coefficient in front of x, which is 3. So add 1 onto the power, so minus a half plus 1 is minus half plus 2 halves, and that's 1 half. I'm now going to divide by my new power, multiplied by the coefficient in front of x, which was 3. And that's between 1 and 0. So half times 3 is 3 over 2, so that's now 3x plus 1 over 3 over 2, and that's to the power 1 half up there, between 1 and 0. Remember, for dividing by a fraction, I can flip the fraction over, bring it up and multiply it. So that can now be written as 2/3. I'm going to replace the power 1 half by the square root symbol, and that's another rule of indices. So I've got 2/3 bracket square root of 3x plus 1 between 1 and 0. So making my substitutions in, it's 2/3 times the square root of 3 bracket 1 plus 1, close the bracket, minus 2/3 bracket 3 lots of 0 plus 1, close the bracket. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4, so that's the square root of 4, which is 2, so that's 2/3 times 2, minus 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, times up 2/3, and that is 2/3. 2/3 times 2 is 4/3. Take away 2/3, and the final answer is 2/3. Section 12, question 2. Find the value of the integral of sine 4x plus 1 with an upper limit of 2 and a lower limit of 0. There's just a reminder of our table of standard integrals. So the integral of sine ax is minus 1 over a cos ax. So when I integrate sine 4x plus 1, that then will give me minus 1 over 4 cos 4x plus 1. And that's between 2 and 0. So that'll be minus 1/4 cos of, well, I can just go straight to 4x, 4 times 2, which is 8, 8 plus 1, so that's 9. Close the bracket, minus 1/4 cos, so again, if I'm saying this time x is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, so it's just cos of 1, close the bracket. I need to make sure for these types of questions that my calculator is on radians mode. So sub that in radians mode will give me 0.227 minus 0.135, and that will give me 0.362. That's the final answer.